What's up, gang-a-lang? Welcome back to another Go Mom's World. It's actually Saturday before Mother's Day. So happy Mother's Day to all of the moms out there. I hope y'all had a wonderful weekend. I certainly did. We this morning went to football. We took Chayse to football. They won. They are undefeated, right? So what y'all beat them by? What was your score today?
Huh?
What's your score?
Oh my God. It was like
7-0. 7-14. I left my camera at home, y'all. I had it like a couple of steps from the door. It almost made it out here. It did. It almost made it out the door. But no, it didn't. So I'm just picking the camera up today. And I might pick it back up later. Let y'all know what we're doing right now. We're just laying around. The baby is asleep. The daughter is taking a nap as well. And I'm just reviewing videos right now. And he's watching TV. So as I was saying, y'all, I'm going to review some videos and maybe take a nap myself. And I don't know what else because I'm tired. I need to take a nap. I've been up since... like I was going to work this morning, so early. I was up early in the morning on a Saturday morning. Those of you know, my day don't start until 12 p.m. But anyway, yes, they won the game, so I'm happy about that. I will pick y'all back up later. Bye. Hey y'all, so it's a few hours later. I did nothing but lay around, took a nap. The kids are gone. They're going to cook out. So I just wanted to relax, get some rest. The friend, I don't know, we may hang out. I don't know because it's raining. I wanted to walk and it's like 6:30 right now. So it looks like it's going to be raining. Yeah. So I would be doing nothing tonight, but just relaxing what I need to do. Happy Sunday and happy Mother's Day to all the moms who are watching. What I got for Mother's Day, y'all. Nice. Crossover purse, red. And I got these things to go around my computer because I need as much light. Bam, if I can. I got 2 of those. I had to see the red light blinking, y'all. So look at my purse, y'all. I just got a red pair of shoes. Go get them. Go get the ones that I just got. I bet you don't know. He probably can pick out the new shoes I got. Because he knows every shoe that I got in it. So let me let him go ahead and pick it out. See which ones he thinks is the brand new shoe ones. Let's see. Yes, Marilyn Monroe. And like I said, it's a crossover. Do like crossovers. Perfect. Yep. He already spotted it. See? Already know. All those shoes I got. Nice. Red is red. It's like a poppy red. This is like a subtle red. But red is red. Green is green. Gray is gray. Blue is blue. Yellow is yellow.
Happy Mother's Day to my grandma. She's right here.
Thank you, baby. I don't know who 833 number is.
What? Why are you pulling on people's hair? Stop! What's wrong?
Happy Mother's Day to my grandma. She's
Is that for
very
you or for
good.
Grandma? Who's that for?
Come on. Get the broom.
The room's waiting for you.
Come on. Hold on to the broom. Come on. Hold on. Come on. I ain't said dance up on the broom, Chase. Come on. Grab the broom. Walking lesson 101.
I'm trying.
You know she's strong. Somebody gonna have
She's
to.
not even trying to hold it.
Right.
You can't let go.
Get somebody else to do it, right?
Alright.
Get somebody else to do it. I'm not gonna hold this broom, Aunt Riri. I'm not doing it.
Not yet. Too lazy.
I'm going up under.
My name is Chase. We're gonna make some pizza today.
For what?
For lunch. Huh? For lunch. Stiff.
Sprinkle. Like we did.
Skinnier, right?
Mm-hmm. One more. Okay, other one.
Oh boy, I was looking for some money. I was looking to get hit that time. People crazy. I got insurance. Somebody got paid. Going into the parking lot, y'all. Janet Jackson concert. Yay! Hey y'all. So I hope y'all like the concert. I love some Janet Jackson. Yes. Miss Jackson, if you nested.